Anyway, so Trésor Tower, this is where I am. I'm basically right about here. Penthouse is like 2 floors above me. I don't know what this is, probably part of the penthouse. But this here is the whole, the whole giant hotel. Welcome, writers. Today we're doing a room tour of my room at the Fontainebleau. I don't know how to say that. Anyways, this is one of the hallways that's connected to the tower where my room is, so I just wanted to show you that first. I'm going to call it the Fontainebleau Hotel. Fontainebleau sounds easy enough. As you can see here, there's lots of pictures of the Rat Pack here on the wall. They were prominent at this location from the 50s and the 60s. And the hotel's been in a lot of major movies and TV shows like Goldfinger, The Bodyguard, Scarface, The Sopranos, Grand Hotel, and a bunch more. I'll go over here real quick. The complex spans 4 main towers, each a chapter in its evolution from a mid-century icon to a modern resort masterpiece. And here you can kind of see the pool area, which is bigger than any pool I've ever seen at any resort I've ever been to. So this is by itself just pretty amazing to look at, but wasn't able to get in there this trip due to work and stuff, but maybe next year, who knows. According to the internets, in 2008, it had a $1 billion renovation and a reopening gala featuring the Victoria's Secret fashion show and performances by Usher, Mariah Carey, and Robin Thicke that apparently revitalized the property while keeping its mid-century charm. Here. And this, I need to put down my drink. So when you come off the elevator, I'm on the 35th floor here. You got the first door. Yes, first door. There's 2 doors. So you don't even have to worry about like elevator noise or anything. Get to the second door. This is my room. 35th floor, Trésor Tower. And the first thing you see is a very nice bathroom on the side, kind of standard, you know, not too impressive, but very, very nice. You've got the towels, very nice sink going on here, interesting looking toilet. Don't really usually see this kind of design from the hotels I go to normally. And then I got in here. My first reaction to this was, wait, there's another door. Wait, this is a suite. And yeah, I've been in suites before, but this is a little different for me because it's huge. Look at how big this thing is. This is a double door refrigerator. 2 doors. I have barely anything in there. Oh, leftover burger from the other day. And a freezer underneath. So cool. Microwave, full range oven. And I think there's some things in some of these. Yeah, you even got pots and pans, and these weird wall paintings which aren't accredited to anybody, but most of them are also like kind of abstract, I guess, and anybody could probably make them. Let's see what's up in here. Glasses. You got Knives and forks in here. If you want to carve up something big, got that. Moving on, you got the whole sink, kitchen sink. You can even take this out, I assume. Wow, I didn't even know that. I have not spent a lot of time in this room. Full washer, man, unrealistic to me. I want this every day. And in here, washer and dryer. This is a full apartment building, basically. Anyway, so Trésor Tower, this is where I am. I'm basically right about here. Penthouse is like 2 floors above me. I don't know what this is, probably part of the penthouse. But this here is the whole, the whole giant hotel. Have not, like I said, been able to enjoy the pool. It's probably gonna close soon, they're dusk to dawn. I am, just did get ready for something cool though. Shaggy's here. It's part of the company that I'm working with today. Yeah, Shaggy the singer. It wasn't me, guy. So that's that. I'm hoping to get in there yet. Should be there now. He's probably singing already. But just look at this thing. Obviously, it's the TV's on a loop for when you turn it on. It's always all about the hotel and stuff. Can find out all about Ocean Drive here, I guess. I haven't even opened this thing yet. Just cool. Yep, Miami is a vibe. You have about 20 seconds. You can take this off. You have 20 seconds before they charge you, but I'm not going to even attempt that. I'm not going to worry about that. I have not opened this yet. Looks like more drinks, which they'll charge you for. What else is in here? Little drinks too. Would love to be this rich to go everywhere like this. Have a room like this everywhere. Yeah, so this was not here the first day. I don't know what happened, who called that I needed a baby carriage kind of thing, whatever you call this thing. But yeah, I don't have kids. I don't know why they decided to put this in my room the second day, or if there was some sort of miscommunication from somebody else. Anyway, yeah, so I did get some of the outdoor earlier, so you'll see it at night. I'm not going to go out this way, but there's 2 ways out here. So let's check out the other way. Yeah, here's another one of those abstract things. Again, not attributed to anybody. Kind of interesting to look at. Kind of just like a painting that failed to render. Anyway, yeah, excitement. Got 3 bar stools, comfy bar stools, like not like padded too. Amazing. I also like these lights. These kind of circular lights. Actually, all their lights are nice. And here we are. This is where the magic doesn't happen. My room. This is obviously a made bed. Beautifully made bed by the staff here. Very nice little desk thing here going on. Kind of goes in by itself. Boosh. On and off buttons for your desk lamps. A couple more lamps over here that are very artsy-fartsy and cool. Like that too. This one's interesting because you have to actually move this around to turn it on and off. Not even sure why it's in here, but makes it look cooler. Again, TV. That's where I keep all my clothes. And then I shot this the outside of this earlier, so I'm going to show you that right now. And we're back. Okay, there I am in the corner. Just excited about the room, even though I didn't get to see much of it. Most of the time I was just in bed, working kind of long hours. I want to be back here. I want to see the whole experience. I want to see Miami more. Yeah, got a nice safe in here. Big walk-in closet. It really is like you have all the amenities and more of an apartment. It's like bigger than some of the apartments I've seen. Okay, bathroom time. Love the lights. Lots, very well lit. Everything's well lit. And then you got another 2 lights on the side of the mirror here, which I'm showing off. And here I am, blah, blah, blah. Comes with the standard blow dryer, also cool. Oh, by the way, this is what the room key looks like. And a glittery Very cool. Can't stop saying very cool because that's kind of where I'm stuck at. I haven't used this. I have kind of a back issue in the moment, so yeah. Again, luck of the draw. Not everybody in my group got a apartment or a house or a hotel room like this. It has sort of helped, but my back, I need to see somebody about that. Anyway, yeah, I just took a shower a little while ago, so it's a little wet in here. But basically 2 showers. Here's one. You saw the other one earlier up front. Okay, so here is the other bathroom. Something I've not seen in any hotel I've ever been in, or any place I've never, I've seen a separate bathroom or toilet area, obviously, but you come in here, first of all, this is huge, and then you got a bidet. I've never seen a bidet before. I have kind of used it a little bit, but it's not my style. I don't know why people need that. I'm okay with toilet paper. So yeah, anyway, that's basically the whole room. I should probably narrate this a little later without using my voice or something, but just very cool. Okay. Interesting textured wallpaper you got here too. Nice blue. I like that blue color. Both sides of this wall here have it. And yeah, the whole thing is kind of themed blue and white and kind of this eggshell gray kind of color as well. I do have to start getting going, but I do want to show you the outside while it's dark yet real quick too. Ugh, very heavy door, hard to get open. And then be careful, don't trip on this. This is pretty big. It's like, it's 35 floors down, so don't run out here. Beautiful. I hope to enjoy Miami some other time again. Ooh, there's people playing soccer down there. Probably not messy down there, but lots of other little soccer players. Tiny little soccer players. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. Looks like there's a party going down there too. Very cool. I gotta get the Shaggy, but I am giddy with excitement, so I did want to at least show you what my good fortune on this, because that's just freaking ridiculous. I don't want to go back to real life. I just want to live here. All right. Bye-bye. Yep, gotta lose that weight.